Expo Experience. I serve as both a presenter and documentation lead. I explain our sustainable energy project to visitors and answer their question about how the technology works and its benefits, and also took photos and noted down feedback from guests to record our activity. Preparation made by your group. First, we research and gather reliable data on renewable energy source and their real-world applications. We divide tasks, some design the booth layout and visual displays, other created infographics and presentation materials, and we work together to build a working mini model of our proposed system. We also practice our presentation multiple times to make sure we could explain our ideas clearly and confidently. Challenge encounter. We face a few difficulties sourcing affordable materials for our working model, adjusting our design to fit the limited booth space, and staying calm when explanation complex technical concept to people of different age and backgrounds. We also had to deal with last-minute adjustment when some parts of our display needed fixing. How teamwork helped your group succeed? Teamwork was the key to overcoming every hurdle. We support each other when someone was stuck. For example, member with strong technical skills fixing the models while others have refined our explanation, and we shared the workload so no one was overwhelmed, and we encourage one another. And the event, by combining our different strengths, we delivered a clear, informative display and made the expo a success.
My name is Yantel Abalos from 1ARB07. My expo experience. During expo, ang role ko po ay tumulong sa paggawa ng aming project at nagpaggawa na rin po ng aming booth para po maging presentable ito. Preparation made by your group. Bago ang expo, naganda ang aming grupo sa pamamagitan ng pagre-research ng mga materials para sa gagawing mga visual na materials para po sa aming expo. Challenges encountered. Isa sa mga challenges na na-encounter namin ay ang pressure matapos ang lahat bago ang deadline. And last, malaki ang naitulong ng aming teamwork sa pamatagumpay na aming grupo dahil sa pagtutulungan sa paggawa ng aming project. Reflection and learning. What important lesson did you learn from the expo? Isa sa mga importanteng lesson na natutunan ko sa expo ay ang kahalagahan ng preparation, teamwork at confidence. Na-realize ko na magiging successful ang aming project kapag maayos ang paghahanda at nagtutulungan ang lahat ng member. How did your activity help you better understand STS and ethnics? Nakatulong ang activity para mas maintindihan ko kung paano konektado ang science, technology, and society sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Natutunan ko rin na mahalagang gamitin ang technology ng may responsibility at ethics para makatulong sa tao at sa environment. Why is sustainable energy important to society? Mahalaga ang sustainable energy dahil nakakatulong ito sa mabawasan ang pollution at pagprotektahan ang ating kalikasan. Nakatulong din ito para magkaroon ng mas malinis at mas magandang future para sa susunod na henerasyon. What value or realization did you gain from this experience? Sa experience na ito, natutunan ko ang value ng responsibility, cooperation, patience at realize ko na mas madaling maabot ang goals kapag may teamwork at respeto sa idea sa bawat isa. Bukod dito, mas maging confident din sa pag-present at pakipag-communicate sa mga tao. My personal reflection. My biggest realization from participating in the Sustainable Energy Solution Expo 2026 is that sustainable energy is very important para sa future natin. Na-realize ko na ang paggamit ng renewable energy tulad ng solar at wind power ay nakakatulong para mabawasan ang ating polusyon at maprotektahan ang kalikasan. Natutunan ko rin na sa pamamagitan ng innovation at teamwork mas maraming solusyon ang pwede nating gawin para sa energy problem. Dahil sa expo na ito ay naging aware ako sa mga tamang paggamit ng energy at na-inspire ako gumawa ng mga simpleng paraan para makatulong sa environment.
My biggest realization for participating in Sustainable Energy Solution Expo 2026. My biggest realization is that sustainable energy is not just a distant environmental goal or a topic only for experts. Is a practical necessary choice that directly affects our daily lives, communities, and future. I used to think switching to clean energy was too expensive or difficult to achieve. But seeing real affordable solution and learning about their long-term benefits showed me the progress is possible when we combine science, creativity, and share responsibility. Most importantly, I realized that I do not have to be a scientist or a leader to make a difference. Every small action from conserving power to support green innovations counts towards building a safer, fairer world for the next generation. This experience taught me that true progress happens when we use technology ethically, with care for both people and the planet.